Hitting this hoe. Talking about fish everywhere. Fish everywhere, you hear me? Got a whole ass line. Woo. Stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. These are nice. Got the Z06 with the butterfly doors. Yes, sir. This motherfucking hard. Motherfucker too hard. Yeah, man, right here. Yes, sir. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Going down the line. I mean, shit, look at it. All these damn Corvettes and Camaros out here. It is a Camaro and Corvette event anyway. Chevy all day, baby. You know what the fuck going on? That man got the Dallas Cowboy rims. I like the C6s, but the C7s, man, them hoes undefeated. Undefeated. Oh. C7. Yeah. This is gonna be a long ass video. Oh God. Very good. We're gonna switch lines real quick. Sir, I ain't gonna lie, I wish I had a Corvette. I do want one. So you know what this hoe say? CLC, baby. Nice as fuck. Man, where the Maros at? Where the Maros at? Where the Maros at? Spoke too soon. Spoke too soon. Copyright. Shit, here we go. This the train right here. This the train, baby. This the motherfucking train.
How you bring that money to the court if you ain't throwing it? How you make it on the ground but in person you ain't showing shit? How you go against the
Let me
game?
get away from the copyright.
Exactly when you got the Cali, got your ass distorted. Bring no coupe, I floor it. Bring no bitch, got horrid. Bring no block, I door it. That nigga run like boys. Yeah, I'm very important.
Well, from the copyright. We over here. Get away from the music. I do not own any rights to the music in this video, just to make sure. Man, look at this shit. It's different. I like it. Yeah. A C6. Yeah. C6. You gonna let me ride this uncle? Huh? You gonna let me ride it, hoe? So. Man, there's too many of them. Nah, why he had to do him like that? God damn, why you had to do him like that?
You did anything under the hood?
No. Man, why you had to do him like that, man?
Man, I'm just trying to look something. Let's look something.
Man, let me show him the inside real quick, man.
Nothing nasty.
He ain't had to do him like that, man.
He hit him hard, didn't he?
Man, he hit him good, man. Man. Oh. Man, that copyright. Gotta go. I don't know what he did with that, huh? All my Dodge fans. I'm just playing. I love all the cars. It's gonna be a long ass video. What's up with y'all? Yes, sir. I'm talking about it's so many. I ain't even worried about my car right now. Man. Man, they don't be playing around here. They don't be playing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. So we got to where the CTSV is. Finna make another corner, hit another They have some motherfucking clean car. Oh. Hold on now. Motherfucking CR1, baby. Yeah. Copyright. Get away from me. Copyright. Copyright that way. I'm finna go this way. Like I said in the video, I do not own any rights to the songs playing. There's so many cars I cannot. Ooh.
Hello?
Man. Yeah, he did that, huh? did, did I? Yeah. I act a fool in there. I act a fool. Yes, sir. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Man, what is this? It's alright. Yes, good. Okay, we getting somewhere. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like this combination. Some respect on it with the shield. Little RT. Alright, little RT. God damn. God damn. Great one. What's up? Very boop. Very boop. Alright, go. Here comes some of the Camaros. Camaros in the hell. They V6 though. Ain't bullshit. I love though. I love. Oh, we got the motherfucking
Hey man, let me get one of the pros out of the coop, man.
You know what made me start loving Camaros? These right here. These right here. When Bumblebee was in the little Transform movie, that was his first car. Yes, sir. We getting on down. There's a lot of copyright over there. Uh-oh. We gonna cut through. Yes, sir. You gotta show love to the old schools. Gotta show love. This is where it all started, right here, the old school. Yes, sir.
383.
Heard the man, 383.
Was it red?
Camaro. This hoe clean as hell. This hoe so motherfucking clean. Look at them fat ass tires. Them hoes fat as hell. I ain't trying to get in anybody's car, but damn. Yeah, we in there. 6'5". That made me want to do a burnout in my shit. I could have poured right here. I ain't gonna lie. We're gonna move on over. We're gonna move on over. We're getting towards the back. I'ma still walk around though. Cause fuck it. Shit looking nice, shit looking clean. Fish everywhere. I don't want to get these people. I don't want to get mad at me. Somebody don't want to be in the video. Damn, look at these hoes. What the hell say? My hell no. Yes, sir. Cheeks. Let me stop playing on the thing. Cheeks for days, I'm not gonna lie. Little old Mercedes. I ain't coming for all that. Now this hoe is live. I'm finna walk up to the hoe. I'm finna try to catch these folks rolling by real quick. Yes, sir. Catch these folks rolling by. Yes, sir. What's up with it? What's up with it? Yes, sir. Copyright once again. Damn. YouTube finna take the video down. I ain't gonna lie. But it's cool though. I'll find out. Yes, sir. Go ahead and bring your ass, boy. Bring your ass. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, back to this shit. Yeah. You don't lie. You don't. Dick ass wide body. Wide body scat, boy. I would've got one. But everybody got them hoes. Oh. Now I know this is a Chevy event, but you know, when you come across a Hellcat, I know Hellcats all over the world. I haven't seen one up close. So we finna see what the fuck this hoe talking about right here. See what they hoe talking about. Motherfucking cat, boy. Uh-oh, it's not one but two. Yeah, that motherfucking cat, boy. It whole live as hell. Damn, look at them thick ass tires, boy. Yes, sir. There's not no demon, boy. Three of them right here. Oh, is that a fucking? at, they popping out at this little event, man. They popping out for real. Yeah, they popping out for real. Yes, sir. Z06. Man, this video gonna be long as hell. LT4. T-top. See, I don't know what's the hate. I don't know why they hating the C8s. I don't know why. Miss Lady. Hell yeah. Pop out. So y'all, if y'all like the video, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn on post notification, make my channel grow. I'm still new to this thing, so I got some improving to do, but you know, only thing you gotta do is just let me know. Tell me what I need to do better. And I'm gonna do this shit. For real. Oh man, there's so many C8s, bro. C8, C7, C6. Scats. The ZL1s. Yeah, I know I gotta see this shit, cause this is my next Camaro. I'm trying to do this shit. I want this Camaro so bad. Man, when I get this, y'all add this to the channel. Man, I'ma act a motherfucking fool. 10-speed ZL1. Man, they wouldn't know what to do with my ass. They wouldn't know what to do with me. I was riding with this dude on the highway on the way here. Back up a little bit, show you. See, I like these Camaros too. Air induction. That's what this shit say. What's up with it? You alright? Got the C6. I'm sorry. Well, yeah, the C6. I was looking at the C7 right next to it, though. This whole live. Yes, sir. Show you the booties. It's all about the booty. Damn, he got the whole clean. Little Grand Sport. Damn, he got them. Damn, killing me. They blinded me. Copyright. I've been here for a little minute. I'm gonna record a little bit more. Let's go ahead and dip. It look That's what everybody doing now. But yeah, man, I don't know. After ZL1, it's either ZL1 or ZL6, man. See this man backing up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Driving that whole smooth. I'll just show y'all the back of the cars. Folks eating good. There's some folks coming this way too, so. So these folks coming up. Copyright. Damn, so much copyright. Yes, sir. I think I already had seen these. So yeah, I think I did majority of the parking lot. It's an old ass spot. So go ahead and end this video right here, y'all. If you enjoyed and if you stayed, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and let me know how you think. What you think about the video? I'm gonna try to keep posting for y'all. I'll be busy with work. I'm doing my best, man. I'm doing my best. Cheeks. Yeah, man. Blacked out ZL6. We get out these folks' way. Oh yeah, big bro. ZL6, man. So I'm gonna just head back to my car, which is all the way up there. So y'all gonna get a little bit more cars as I get in my car and drive off. We went by the old schools already. Two more just pulled up. Yes, sir. This is nice. Got this Scatty Pack. I think I've seen this up before. Yep, I've seen it up before. I was on the highway with him racing. Oh, let me not say that. I was cruising down the road with this Scat Pack. Yes, sir. We moving our way back on up. I definitely gotta check this one out with the wing. Definitely. go.
If you know the music, just vibe to the music with us. We got about 15 minutes in the machine. Right here at the 9th annual Corvette and Camaros Dash. Let's go.
Little boy was staring his ass off. It's cool though.